Bookmarks let you save specific selection states. This allows you to review them later and share them with others. To create a new bookmark, make the selections on the sheet that you want to save as a bookmark. In the Assets panel, click Bookmarks. Select the My Own tab and click the Create New Bookmark button. Add a title to your bookmark and optionally add a description. One of the options you have is the Save Sheet Location. Toggling on the Save Sheet Location option ensures that when a user applies the bookmark, they'll be switched to the sheet that was open when it was created. Otherwise, the user will stay on their current sheet when the bookmark is applied. Now, let's create another bookmark. Before doing it, let's make some changes in the pivot table. Then, make some selections and create a new bookmark. This time, toggle on the Save Layout option. By doing this, the bookmark will save chart layouts, sorting, or expansions. Let's change the order of the dimensions in the pivot table again, and remove the selections. Now, by opening the bookmark, the selections will be applied, and also the pivot table layout saved with the bookmark will be restored. Now let's create another bookmark to show how the Save Variable state in Bookmarks works. In this sheet, we have two variable input drop-downs. Select some values in the list, and then let's create a bookmark. This time, toggle the option Save Variable State in Bookmarks. This will save the current values of variables in the bookmark. Now let's change the selected variables and then open the bookmark you just created. As you can see, the bookmark will restore the saved variable values. In the bookmark menu, you have the option to make the bookmark public. Making a bookmark public means that anyone can use it. You will no longer be the owner of the bookmark. Who can see your bookmark depends on the type of space in which its associated app is located. Selecting Make Private returns it to the original owner's private bookmarks. In the Bookmarks menu, you also have the option Apply Selections Only. By selecting this, the selections saved in the bookmark are applied. As you can see, only the selections are applied. In this case, the Save Sheet Location option is not applied, so the selections are shown on the current sheet. The behavior is different if you apply the bookmark without using the option Apply Selection Only, since you'll be redirected to the saved location. Details: display location, layout state, and set expressions. Here you can also edit and update the bookmark. Copy link copies the bookmark location so it can be shared. Another option you have in the menu is Set as Default Bookmark. If this is selected, when the app is opened, the layout state and the selection state of the default bookmark are used instead of the app overview page. Lastly, you have the option Delete that you can use to delete your bookmark. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.